Okay, so finally, after I don't know how many years, at least as long as I've been living here, we have an underground metro system on the Asian side of Istanbul. That was my local station there, Bostancı, and these are the delightful, beautifully clean escalators going to and from. And you might have noticed there were no people there, and that's going to be a continuing theme throughout the next few minutes. Look, there we go. A nice descent into the underground. Here I am, beginning my journey down. This has been open just over a week now, and considering how many years this has been planning and being built, to absolutely no fanfare whatsoever. Look, here's another picture with absolutely nobody in it. Here I am a little bit further down the escalator, and look, you can probably see there's still no people in view. And I should mention now, early on, that I'm not taking these shots sort of deliberately to sort of make it look like nobody's here. Quite on the contrary, I'm trying to get every single person I see into the photographs I've taken. Oh look, a bit further down, and still there's nobody there. So what's going on here? Yeah, like I said, just over a week ago, the metro was opened after at least a decade of sort of construction. And most people sort of still don't know that it's open. And it's a real shame, really, because it's nice. Oh, look, a man. I took this shot quickly because it just sort of, he was there in the distance. I'm like, I've got to get an actual picture of another human being using the metro. There he is. Look, he's scuttling around the corner. He saw me. Probably thought I was a serial killer trying to chase him. Actually, that's part of the problem. I think most people are scared to use this. Oh, sorry about that. Look at that. Should have let you know that was coming up. That's me. Should have had a shave before taking that picture. Look, absolute loneliness. Look at that. Oh, look. Finally, there's some more people. A couple of people going through the gates. That security guard stopped me, actually. Searched my bag. I think he was just bored, to be honest. Oh, look. There. Actual signs of life. 4 people in one picture. It's really nice down there, you know. It's lovely, clean, brand spanking new. Very well signposted and everything. And here we're going down the second escalator. This is going to take us to the train. I was a bit sort of nasty with these 2 boys because they weren't following etiquette. They were side by side, and of course you can shove people out of the way because you should leave a space for someone to walk by. That's Bostancı, my local station, and here's the platform. Look at that. Is there anybody out there? Oh look, there's 1 or 2 people right at the far end. You can't see from that clock. It's going to be a bit clearer in a second. There you go. It's 1:30 in the afternoon, and up there you can see the time, 2 minutes before the next train. And look at that. There's absolutely nobody on the line here. Look. Oh, here he is, the other passenger that's joining me. So I'm going to describe this as the golden age of the Asian metro, because it is. It's wonderful going on, and there's absolutely no one else here. Lütfen inenleri öncelik tanıyız. That's a lovely sign they've put down saying, please let people get off the train before you try and get on. Here we are, on the train. And there are other people on it. I'm so happy. I was beginning to think I was going nuts, and I've gone into some kind of twilight zone, and there were very few other people. I only actually got on and then got off at the next stop. I was only on for sort of 1 stop. And here we are. This is Kozyata, where I'm going to get a bus to work. And look at it. It's dark. It's very foreboding. They've painted all of the everything black, so it looks like you're literally descending into the depths of hell. Yeah, look at that. There you can see it there. And once again, absolutely nobody in sight. Wonderful. It's like having my own personal train to and from work. No one there. Look, black. Oh, emerging from the darkness. Look, other human beings. Wonderful. Come on, people. Come and use this train. It's nice. It's very fast. It's very clean, very efficient. Where are you all? There I am. Look, that's back. Look how dark it is. It's like literally descending into hell going into this station. Oh, God. Who designed this thing? And there we are. Kozyata İstasyonu 2012. 2012. Newly opened. And that's the adventure I've had this week.